Hello lovelies and welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi and in today's video I'm going to share another quick recipe with you. It's called couscous au gras or jollof couscous. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Je suis Kayi et dans cette vidéo je partage la recette de couscous au gras ou jollof couscous avec vous et je vais mettre tous les ingrédients dans la barre de description. Guys, I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic, rosemary and thyme. Ginger. I'm going in now with the blended ingredients. Ajouter les ingrédients frais. Now we're going to add the seasoning. So I will be adding 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic, some basil or pepper seasoning and some rosemary. A little bit of salt to taste. One spoon of all-purpose seasoning and some thyme. Add in some onions. Add a little bit of salt to taste if you wish to, and some water. And let it cook for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes and the beef should be cooked and I can quickly fry it up. Let's check it out. It's exactly how I want it, so I'm going to fry it now. Donc c'est prêt. Je vais frire ma viande juste un peu. So I'm going to fry it a little bit. Just added a little bit of onions to heat the oil. I'm using rapeseed oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice really to fry the beef. Yeah, it's looking good now. I'm going to use 1 small bowl of couscous. So depending on how many people you are cooking for, I'm going to use the same amount of water, 1.5, to add to the tomato sauce. It's a little bit thick and I like it like that. If my couscous will need a little bit of water, then I can add a little bit more later. I use lots of water and end up not having a fluffy couscous. So use just a very reasonable amount, and if you need more you can just add a little bit. I'm going to pour my couscous in. And remember, to have fluffy couscous you have to keep eye on the water. It's always better to use less, and if you think your couscous needs a little bit more, then you can add it than using more than what is needed. Okay, now I'm going to add my vegetables at this point. Là on peut ajouter les légumes. So guys, let's add all the vegetables and cover it up. The beans will take a little bit of time to cook, so I'm gonna put that in first. I'll cook it like 3 minutes and then I'll add the rest of the vegetables. Laissez cuire pendant 3 minutes et puis ajouter les autres légumes. parce que ça va prendre un peu de temps. It's looking so good already. I'm going to cover it up now and let it cook for 3 minutes, and then I'll add the rest of the vegetables and the beef. Cover it up and let it cook for 3 minutes. Your couscous should be like this, nice and fluffy. See? Very nice and colorful. I'm going in now. I'm going to add the peppers. Oh guys, look at this. Nice and fluffy, very, very colorful. Remember, it's vegetable couscous, so you can add any veg of your choice. This is the beef. I'm going to add that as well. And I'm covering it for 3 minutes, and that will be it. Alright guys, it should be ready. Oh, love, love, love the color. And to be honest, just have fun with it, because you can use any vegetables of your choice, and adding beef or chicken, whatever you want to add is also optional. But today I feel like having some meat. Guys, let's serve the food. And of course, you guys know you are invited to join me. Nice and fluffy. This is the time when the shito is very, very handy. So I will be adding a tiny bit, and that will be it. Look at this. So yummy. This is so delicious. Thanks so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I will see you all in my next video. Voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. Si vous avez aimé, n'oubliez pas de liker, partager avec la famille et les amis. Si c'est votre première fois, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et activer votre cloche afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. À très bientôt. Au revoir.